Every day begins with a new sunrise, painting the sky with vibrant hues and promising a fresh start. It brings a new possibility, a chance to redefine our path and embrace what lies ahead. But life isn't always easy. Challenges arise, and routines can sometimes make us feel stuck in a cycle. Remember, every challenge teaches you something valuable, building resilience and wisdom. Every mistake doesn't define you. Instead, it builds a stronger, more experienced version of yourself. Pause for a moment and ask yourself, where are you right now and what is your deepest dream? Take a small, deliberate step today, no matter how insignificant it may seem. That one step could open a new chapter in your life, leading to unexpected growth and fulfillment. Remember, every sunrise is a second chance, a beautiful reminder that you can always begin anew. Embrace this moment, start today, and let your journey unfold with renewed hope and consistency.